Hello everyone, welcome back to another awesome video. And today in this video, I will tell you how you can use DeepSeek V4 Pro, which is latest launch model from DeepSeek. Okay, so here in this post, you can see that this model was launched on 13th of August. And here in this particular screenshot, you can see the benchmark scores and its comparison with all its previous models, along with Opus, Fable, and Kimi models as well. So as you can see here in Internal Bench 2.1, DeepSeek V4 Pro got 87.9 ratings, while in case of Opus and Fable, that is 85.0 and 88.0 respectively, which is comparatively less than DeepSeek V4. And here you can see DeepSeek V4 Pro model was comparatively much better than its previous model now, and it is also way ahead than Kimi K3, not exactly Kimi K3, but JLM 5.2. So this is how you can see the benchmark scores here as well. So now let's start the video. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, consider subscribing it because I constantly upload these kind of videos regularly, okay? And recently I've uploaded this video where I have showed you how you can use Quen 3.8 Max absolutely free on your VS Code. So you can go and check out this video. I will give the link in the description. Also, you can join my Telegram channel so that you will get the updates quickly. Now let's start the video. So for what you have to do is you have to just go to the browser, search tokenrouter.com. Here is the link, click on it and you will land up here. So as you can see here, limited offer DeepSeek V4 Pro is available. Okay, so as soon as you will land up in this page, what we have to do is you have to just click on sign up option if you haven't signed up already. But in my case, I have already signed up because I have showed you this particular website tokenrouter.com in my last video as well. So I will go here and click on this sign in option and I will sign in using my Google account. So once you will sign in, you will land up here in this dashboard page where you can see all the summary, account balance, and all these kind of data here. Okay, here you can see the token used, number of requests sent. So this is how you can see details here in dashboard. But what you have to do is you have to just go here in API keys option, then click on this create key, and here you can give any name. So I'm giving DeepSeek V4 as of now, and here you can select the expiration date of that particular API key. So I will select never expire as of now. And here you can select the specific model if you want to select, but I will just leave it as blank and we'll click on this submit option. The API key is generated. Now what you have to do is you have to open VS Code. So I have created a folder in test and DeepSeek V4 test. So I will open this particular folder in VS Code. Now once you open this VS Code, what you have to do is just go to this extension tab and search for Cline. So I am installing Cline here to integrate the API with our VS Code. So this one is the extension that you need to install. I have already installed it, that's why it is showing me uninstall. So once you install this, you will get this particular icon here. Just click on it and then click on this settings icon, and here you have to configure all the things. So first you have to select the API provider. That should be OpenAI compatible. So there are a lot of other as well, but you have to select this OpenAI compatible here. Then you have to add this base URL. So base URL you will get your in your dashboard of TokenRouter. So here you can see this is the base URL. So just copy it. Just go back to your VS Code, paste it here. Then again go back. Just copy this key here and paste it here. Okay. Now once you will paste that particular key, sometime what happens is you will get the list of models here. But if you are not getting the list of models, you have to manually give the model ID here. So what I will do is I will go back and we'll click on this models option. And here you can see this is the model that we are going to use. So just copy it and paste it here. So as you can see, this model is added. Now, after replacing all these three things, you have to click on done option. And here in bottom right corner, you can see the model is selected, that is V4. Okay, so I will just give a simple question saying hi, what's going on. So as you can see, it started thinking, and in a couple of seconds it will give me the results as well. Okay, so as you can see here, it gave us the response. Now what I will do is to test the capability of this particular model, I will simply give a simple prompt here Okay, so basically I will create a snake game here. So I have pasted the prompt here and I have mentioned that I need only HTML, CSS and JavaScript code, and that should be in single file only, that is index.html. So here's the prompt. You can get this prompt in my Telegram channel as well. So you can join that Telegram channel. Now I will send this prompt and let's wait to complete the code. Okay. So as you can see, the code writing is started as okay. So as you can see, it says task is completed and it mentioned that it created this index.html file and game logic. It mentioned the gaming theme. Also, this is mentioned here. And also it follows responsive layout as well, so that is also mentioned here. So now what I will do is I will just go back to our folder. Here we have index.html file, so I will just click on it and it will open in the browser. And here you can see that we have this start game button option, so I will just click on it. Okay, but I guess that color themes are not properly. Okay, so what I will do is I will give a prompt again to this particular chat and I will say the colors of game box and snake is not proper. Please fix this. Okay, so I guess that CSS fixes are done. Now let's again open the game and refresh it. And we'll click on this start game option. Okay, now this is fixed. We can properly see the snake and the food of snake as well. So, and also you can see that scores are getting updated and every time it is doing +10 in the score. Okay, so that is good. And the best is also getting updated. Okay, so every time you will make the high score, it will be updated. Now if I'll click on this play again option, then it is working as well. So yeah, okay, so that game is working fine, and this is how you can use this particular DeepSeek V4 Pro model on your VS Code. Also, if you want to see the usage logs, you can go here in this particular option, and here you can see the usage as well. So as you can see here that these number of input tokens are used, and this is the spend, that is $0 because we are using free tier of it. So that's how you can see all these details here in particular usage logs option. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you will like this video. Make sure to like the video if you follow this helpful, and also make sure to subscribe the channel so that you will get the latest updates as well. That's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.